This video is all about the English Tagalog pronouns you must know. Ako or ko is I in English. Ako, ko. Ikaw, ikaw, that's you. Ikaw. Siya, siya, that's he or she. Siya. Aking is my. Aking. Akin is mine. Akin. Akin. Tayo, tayo is we, inclusive. Tayo. Kami, kami is also we but is exclusive. Kami. Kanya, kanya, that means his or hers. Kanya. Pareho, pareho is both or the same. Pareho. Alinman, alinman is any or whichever. Alinman. Iyon or yon, iyon or yon is it or its. Iyon, yon. Ito or to is this. Ito, to. Iyan or yan, iyan, yan is that. Iyan, yan. Lahat, lahat is all or everybody. Lahat. Kanila, kanila is theirs. Kanila. Alinman, alinman is either. Alinman. Alinman ay hindi. Alinman ay hindi is neither. Alinman ay hindi. Kanino, kanino is whose. Kanino. Karamihan, karamihan is majority. Karamihan. Kahit sino, kahit sino is anybody or anyone. Kahit sino. Ilan, ilan is few. Ilan. Amin, amin is ours. Amin. Ang mga ito is these. Ang mga ito. Ang mga iyon is those. Ang mga iyon. Sino man is whoever or whosoever. Sino man. Marami, marami, that's many. Marami. Wala, wala is no one. Wala. May isa is someone. May isa. May ilan is some. May ilan. And that's all for our English Tagalog pronouns you must know. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, paalam at ingat. Thank you very much, goodbye, and take care.